Inside the United States Air Force's most feared bomber, technology, resilience, and strategy combine in a single flying machine designed for extreme missions. This strategic bomber operates at extremely high altitudes, far beyond the reach of most enemy air defense systems. From a cockpit filled with digital displays and sophisticated navigation systems, the crew monitors the air environment, radar threats, and flight routes with pinpoint precision. The cabin is pressurized and capable of supporting the crew during long-distance transcontinental flights, demonstrating that this aircraft is not just a combat vehicle, but also a mobile airborne command center. While flying at extreme altitudes, this bomber utilizes superior aerodynamics and powerful engines to maintain stability and fuel efficiency. Outside temperatures can reach tens of degrees below zero, but internal systems ensure the safety of the crew and electronics. Special coatings on the fuselage help reduce its radar signature, making it difficult to detect. From such altitudes, the bomber can carry and launch high-precision weapons, both conventional and strategic, with exceptional accuracy. A look at this bomber demonstrates how modern air dominance depends not only on firepower, but also on survivability, stealth, and long-term operations in extreme environments. Its presence in the skies is a symbol of strength and strategic deterrence, thanks to its ability to reach any target in the world without having to land in a conflict zone. This bomber is not just an aircraft, but a representation of the supremacy of U.S. air military technology. Beyond its power and fearsomeness, this bomber also reflects the discipline and mental preparedness of the crews who operate it. Flying at extreme altitude for hours on end demands intense focus, perfect coordination, and complete trust in the aircraft's automated systems. Crews are trained to deal with a variety of scenarios, from electronic interference and sudden weather changes to potential enemy interception. Every procedure is carried out to exacting standards, as even a small error at such altitude can be fatal, both to the mission and to the crew's safety. Beyond its role as a strike weapon, this bomber also serves as a tool of military diplomacy that is not directly visible. Its presence in the air, particularly during joint exercises or long-range patrols, sends a strategic message to other nations about the readiness and reach of U.S. air power. These observations demonstrate that the bomber is not only used in wartime, but also as a silent deterrent, flying high in the sky, carrying immense power without having to release a single weapon. Technically, this most feared bomber is equipped with an electronic warfare system capable of jamming enemy radar and communications during flights at extreme altitudes. Advanced sensors continuously scan the airspace around the aircraft, providing early warning of threats from both the ground and the air. The collected data is then processed in real time, enabling the crew to make rapid decisions without relying entirely on ground command. This makes the bomber a self-sufficient combat platform capable of operating deep within enemy territory. Further observation reveals that the bomber's operational success is not based on a single mission. Airborne refueling aircraft, military satellites, and a global command network play a crucial role in supporting its long-range missions. At extreme altitudes, the bomber remains connected to the control center via secure communications, ensuring every command is executed accurately. This synergy between airborne technology and the supporting network is what makes the U.S. Air Force bomber one of the most feared and decisive military assets on the global map. The bomber's superiority is also evident in its ability to penetrate various layers of modern air defenses without detection. At extreme altitudes, the aircraft utilizes carefully calculated flight paths to minimize exposure to radar and surface-to-air missile systems. Every movement is controlled by an intelligent flight computer that automatically adjusts speed, flight angle, and mission profile. From the outside, the plane may appear to be passing peacefully, but inside it is a complex operation involving thousands of technical parameters simultaneously. Within the large, robust fuselage, every space is efficiently utilized to support long-range missions at extreme altitudes. The weapons compartment is designed to carry a wide variety of payloads, from precision-guided bombs to strategic weapon systems, without compromising aerodynamic balance. The entire system is controlled through the integration of flight computers and advanced artificial intelligence, allowing the crew to simultaneously monitor the condition of the aircraft, weapons, and the surrounding environment. These observations indicate that the bomber is more like a mobile air operations center than a fighter jet. The aircraft's structural durability is key when operating in the thin atmosphere. Low air pressure, cosmic radiation, and extreme turbulence require specialized materials that are lightweight yet extremely strong. The fuselage's shells are engineered to withstand drastic temperature changes, while redundancy systems ensure the aircraft can remain airborne even during technical failures. From an observational perspective, this survivability is what allows the U.S. Air Force's bombers to carry out high-risk missions with a remarkably high success rate. Ultimately, the presence of these feared bombers at extreme altitudes has a profound psychological impact in modern conflicts. Unseen and without warning, these aircraft can reach any part of the world, bringing a strategic force that is difficult to match. Observations of its role demonstrate that air dominance is determined not only by direct combat, but also by the ability to control space and time. This is what makes the bomber a symbol of air superiority and a key pillar of United States military power.